Hi everyone! Today I'm unboxing the Etimo Rose crochet hook set by Tulip from Japan. This is a premium crochet set loved by many crocheters. So unbox with me. Personally, I've wanted this set since the first time I saw it a few years ago. I only got the chance to buy it this year, and I'm really happy I finally did. There are a lot of crochet hook sets out there that can fit your style, needs, and budget. You don't need the most expensive tools to create beautiful projects. I bought this on Shopee for around 4,600 pesos with vouchers. It's not cheap, but for me it's a long-term investment. And of course, it comes in my favorite shade. It's pink. Inside, we get this elegant rose-colored case. It includes crochet hooks from 2.0 millimeters to 6.0 millimeters, plus scissors, tapestry needles, a tassel with a thick plastic cover, and a case to keep everything organized. The rose pink color instantly stands out. It's soft, elegant, and pleasing to the eye. The textured, rosebud-inspired surface adds a luxurious feel with extra grip. It's compact, lightweight, and neatly stitched, perfect for everyday use or travel. The smooth zipper keeps everything protected and organized. This isn't just storage, it's thoughtfully designed. As a crocheter, I appreciate how Tulip balances beauty and function. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Happy crocheting!